about to juice this soursop. Let me know if you've ever had soursop. Is it? Add in the water, and then we're gonna squeeze the soursop into the water, and then we're gonna strain. Alright guys, so we're juicing now. Using it so you can get the juice out of the pulp. And then these are the seeds inside. So yeah. Alright guys, so we're grating the ginger in the soursop juice now. See it there? Smell it? Ooh, look at that richness. The coconut milk is going in. Don't mind the little remnants in there. That's ginger. So here's what it's looking like so far. And then just mix it round. See, ooh, look how creamy that is. And then you're just gonna add your sugar. But yeah, here we go. That's it. See it, yeah? See it there? Yeah.